How do I use PuTTY to establish an SSH connection to a remote server?
Welcome, everyone. In this video, we are going to cover the basics of how to use PuTTY, a free and open-source terminal emulator, to establish an SSH connection to a remote server. We'll break it down step by step, making sure you have all the information you need to connect securely to your server.
What is PuTTY?
PuTTY is a popular, open-source software available for Windows and Unix platforms. It allows users to remotely access computers over the Internet using protocols like SSH, Telnet, and RLogin.
Where to download PuTTY?
PuTTY can be downloaded from the official PuTTY website. It's free and open-source software. Just make sure to choose the right version for your operating system, Windows, Unix, etc.
How to install PuTTY?
After you've downloaded PuTTY, you can install it by opening the installer and following the instructions on the screen. Remember to allow the software any necessary permissions it requests during installation.
How to use PuTTY for SSH connection?
Once you've installed PuTTY, you can use it to establish an SSH connection with a remote server. 1. Open PuTTY. Start by opening the PuTTY application. 2. Enter the hostname or IP address. In the Session category, there will be a field labeled Hostname or IP address. Here, input the hostname or IP address of the server to which you want to connect. 3. Enter the port number. By default, the port number for an SSH connection is 22, but this can be changed if your server uses a different port. 4. Select the connection type. Below the port field, select SSH as the connection type. 5. Save the session. If you're likely to use these settings again, you can save them for easy access. Just enter a name in the Saved Sessions field and click Save. 6. Open the connection. To establish the SSH connection, click the Open button at the bottom of the PuTTY configuration window. 7. Login. A new window will pop up asking for your username and password. Enter these, and you're in. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily establish an SSH connection to a remote server using PuTTY. We hope this guide has been helpful, and as always, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Happy connecting!